How would you like to have clean, bright teeth without having to pay tons of money for expensive products or going to your dentist? Wouldn't that be great? Hey, what's up guys? This is Ali and welcome back to my channel. Now in this video, I will show you 5 simple ways that will make your teeth whiter. Now, when you go to your dentist for a cleaning or to make your teeth white, they are actually using certain products that, yes, it will make your teeth white, but at the same time, it will actually make them more sensitive. So it will damage them a little bit. And you will start having dental problems sooner or later. Like you will notice when you drink something too hot or too cold, you will see that your teeth are going to start hurting a little bit. So this is why in this video, I will show you how these 5 simple ingredients that you can find them in your kitchen can help your teeth, and it's going to make them look much cleaner and brighter. So the first one I want to talk to you about, it is oil pulling. Oil pulling, it's very common these days, especially coconut oil. It's very popular because it tastes good and it also has a bunch of health benefits. Like it reduces also inflammation and as well kills bacteria. Now, to oil pull, you just have to scoop like a tablespoon of coconut oil. Usually the room temperature is a bit hard, but as soon as you put it in your mouth, it's gonna start melting almost instantly. And you just start to push and pull the oil through your teeth. And that's actually, you do this for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I can tell you like in a few days, you're gonna start see a difference and your teeth are gonna feel much better. Okay, the second one, it is baking soda. Baking soda has natural whitening properties, and it's also a very popular ingredient in the commercial toothpaste. Now, it is a little bit abrasive, and if you do it too often or too harsh, it can actually damage the enamel on the teeth. So my advice would be, I like to actually mix it with coconut oil together, like a teaspoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of coconut oil. And I like to do it like 2 times a week. I don't want to do it too often because I want to take care of my enamel. I want my teeth to be all shiny. And you do it and it actually also removes certain stains from your teeth, like coffee stains, wine stains, and even the tartar from the teeth, the stones that gets inside the teeth, they're actually going to start cleaning it. And you're going to notice like in a week, oh my God, your teeth are going to look amazing. So just do this 2 times a week. In the meantime, do the coconut oil, do the pulling, and it's going to your teeth are going to look so much brighter. All right. So the next one I want to talk to you about is hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide has a bleaching agent. It's going to make your teeth whiter, but it also kills bacteria in your mouth. So you want to use the 1.5 to 3% like acid, because otherwise it's going to be it can be a bit toxic. So use the low grade peroxide, okay? And what you want to do, you can rinse your mouth before brushing your teeth and just spit it out. Then brush your teeth regularly and rinse, and you should be all good. You can do it like 2-3 times a week, and in time you're going to see a huge improvement. Now, I remember when I had some teeth issue, and the dentist, she told me actually to put on a cotton ball some peroxide and just keep it on the teeth. So I was doing this like a few times a day for about 2-3 days until my pain went away, subsided, and it went away. And I was like, wow, look. And at the time, actually, I was smoking and drinking lots of coffee and wine. I had a pretty bad lifestyle. So I was like, wow, my teeth look so white. And I kind of liked it. I kind of continue a little bit to do this. So guys, all these white teething, homemade remedies, I use them. And I recommend them all. They really, really work. Okay. So do the peroxide, rinse it over there before you brush your teeth, spit it out, and brush your teeth. In a few days, you're going to see already an improvement in it. Now, the next one I want to talk to you about, it is activated charcoal. Now, brushing with powder charcoal, normally it should pull the toxins from the mouth as well and also remove the stains because it's a little bit abrasive. So charcoal, it's actually well known to help with even with intoxication with the different chemicals. So charcoal is really good for you. Usually it comes in capsules, as you said. You just break the capsule, wet your toothbrush, put it in charcoal, and start brushing your teeth like probably about, I would do it 2-3 times a week because it's also a little bit abrasive. So not quite every day, but yes, definitely you can put a little bit every day and just let it sit there for about 5-10 minutes. Your teeth are gonna look all black and funny, but you're gonna get used to it. The taste is not bad. It kind of doesn't taste like nothing. It has no taste basically. And just rinse it out and you should be good to go. Now, another one that actually helps, and it is clay, certain clays, like the kaolin clay. So I never use specifically the clay, but I did buy some toothpaste that contained the clay in it, especially for my daughter. And it also, the clay, as my understanding, it helps, yes, whitening your teeth, but it also helps like healing the tooth as well. So guys, these are all natural ingredients. Most of us, we have them in the house. You can use them now. Everybody has certain specific diets, different diets. They have different acids in their body. So try them all and see which one you like the best and which one is actually working best for you. Just make sure when you use the abrasive ones, you don't brush it way too fast. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, click the like button down below and remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Stay healthy.